Launching on July 29, the Nike Giannis Freak 7 Ignition is already gaining attention online for its eye-catching black and orange colorway and performance-focused design. Featuring a full-length Cushlon 3.0 midsole, its first use in Nike basketball, the shoe promises responsive cushioning and support. Flex grooves and a split outsole with multi-directional traction are engineered for sharp cuts and Giannis' signature Eurostep. Symbolism also plays a big role. Inspired by ancient Greek sandals, the upper sculpted build and split design echo Giannis' heritage and personal story. Debossed names of the Antetokounmpo family line the midsole, making this model deeply personal. The shoe's lateral side ensures a smooth ride, while the medial section provides added structure. With a blend of cultural depth and elite function, the Freak 7 could become one of Giannis' most celebrated sneakers. Expect it to be available on Nike.com and select retailers during the back-to-school season.